Hey everyone, this is Iskandar Rakib. Welcome back to my another video. This is a video of unboxing the Type-C USB cable of iVolta brand. This is for my Samsung S8 phone. Okay, let's see the unboxing video. Okay, this is invoice. This iVolta brand. Let's open it up. It's pretty good company. I just got delivery today. Uh, Flipkart, I think Flipkart has delivered today. Okay, let's open it up. Show the cable. As for they mentioned, the data is 430 Mbps, right? Okay. Let's go and show the phone. And this is Samsung S8, and this cable is for this phone. Okay, we'll check it out whether it's charging or not. Here we go. Let's switch on. Make it on. Okay. Is it charging? Okay. Here is the symbol that it is charging. It is perfect and working. Okay, thank you for watching my video and wait for next video.